Hello and welcome to Dad Got This. I don't know about you, I'm a fan of beef jerky. I'm not a fan of the price of beef jerky. It is way too expensive. I checked my local grocery store and had sticker shock. However, I did find out I can use my new Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill and make some smoky beef jerky pretty inexpensive and super easy. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna test out the dehydration setting on the Ninja Woodfire Grill. To do that, we will be using the recipe for beef jerky that came in the book with the Woodfire Grill. I do wanna be upfront. I did get this unit sent to me by Ninja. I didn't pay for it. I don't have to send it back. However, they get absolutely no input on any of my videos. They don't see them before they go up. So this is my true and honest opinion and usage case for the Ninja Woodfire Grill. This time, the dehydration, that one setting. All right, let's prep some beef. The first thing we need to do is cut our eye round. As you can see, I'm going to cut this against the grain so we can get some nice slices that will pull apart easily. I apologize. This is not the easiest thing to do with the camera angle that I had. I probably should have switched the camera angle, but Dad worked it out. And what we're doing is cutting this into strips. You can cut them as thin or thick as you like. I don't know. I went for what it said was 1/4 inch strips, and I went a little chunky. It was pretty easy. Made light work of it. Now for the marinade. All of the ingredients are there to the left. And we're going to start with some soy sauce. Give it a little bit of that umami flavor. Some Worcestershire or Roy's sister, however you say it, that sauce is going in there. 3 big tablespoons of brown sugar. This is Dad's mix of onion powder and garlic powder. I keep it pre-mixed. A little smoked paprika, a hint of cayenne pepper, not much because my family doesn't like spice, cinnamon, tiny bit of black pepper, and salt. That's it. And now we're gonna whisk this thing together till it is nice and mixed. Because they are kind of like dry ingredients, it might take a little bit of effort. But get it all mixed together, set it aside. Get yourself a nice good zippy bag, put all of your meat in it, and cover it with that lovely marinade. Close it up and push out as much air as you can. And now you're going to massage the bag for a little while to really work the marinade into all of the meat. And now this is going to go in the refrigerator for at least 8 hours, preferably overnight. We are back to now. It was then before, but it's now. We are the next day, and it is time for us to take our future beef jerky, right now it's just beef, get it out of the marinade, and go set up the Ninja Woodfire Grill. Today I'll be using hickory pellets from Kona. Now, these are not the pellets that come with the Woodfire Grill, but they were advertised on Amazon as being for the Woodfire Grill. Now, in the instructions of the Woodfire Grill, it says only use their pellets. But their pellets were kind of small. They didn't have a wide variety of flavors, so I wanted to try these to give them, a shake. I did one cook with them, came out fantastic, so I'm thinking it'll work with this. All right, back to the jerky. Remove the beef from the bag, shake off excess marinade. We don't need it anymore. It has done its job. And go set up your Ninja Woodfire Grill. It's really simple. You tip this little sucker open and we pour in our pellets. I can't find my little scooper, but nothing will go wrong. Everything will be fine. It's not like I'm going to completely almost drop the... Yeah, I'm going to do that. Try to find your scooper. It's not easy to do that way. But once they're in there, kind of make sure that they're all in there. Spread them around. Open up your Woodfire Grill. And we are going to put this on cold. This is kind of a tip that I found from some barbecue smoking channels where you start your meat cold when you're smoking it, and it gives it a better chance to kind of really absorb all that smoke. Close it down, set the unit to dehydrate. We're going to do this at 165, and we're going to set it for 4 hours because that's when they say to first check it. And hold down your Woodfire Grill button and hit start. a little over 4 hours later, and we have beef jerky. This seems to look pretty good. We will give it a taste test, and then I want to weigh it and see kind of how much it costs of buying beef jerky, like on Amazon. Now, I found an Amazon beef jerky for like a little 8 ounce. It says it's a half pounder bag. Half pounder would be 8 ounces of beef jerky, and it was $12. Let's see how much beef jerky we made for about $6 in iRound roast. We will bag it up. That is basically a pound of beef jerky. So we got twice as much beef jerky for half the cost by just doing that simple little thing with the Ninja Woodfire Grill. However, it doesn't taste good. All of that doesn't matter. Let's give our beef jerky a little taste test. We'll take this little crunchy one here in the end. It's got some fat. It's delicious. It's beef jerky. I mean, smoky, very smoky. Totally taste that hickory. I feel like I could dust some stuff on here if I want to make it sweet, add a little bit of brown sugar, and dust a little bit of hot chili powder on here. But that is chewy, delicious beef jerky. That's a success. Let's take it out of the bag. I want to show off my beef jerky. Now that Dad knows he can make double the amount of beef jerky for half the cost, Dad will be eating a lot of beef jerky. This is a fantastic little hack. I don't even know if you can call it a hack. It's just making your own beef jerky. I love that that thing has a dehydrator on there. Now I want to figure out what other things I can dehydrate, like fruits and stuff. That sounds good. Do the likey, subscribe stuff and all that stuff, notification bells. Leave comments, like the video, all that stuff really helps out this channel. Thank you for doing that. Dad may be really thinking about all the other things he can use his new dehydrator on his Woodfire Grill for, but Dad doesn't do outros. That's it. Bye.